Here's a quick video on how to replace a battery in your Escalade key fob. You're going to need a small flat tip screwdriver as well as one of the 2450 batteries. You can get both of these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I will take you straight there. First, you want to find this silver button, press that, and slide your mechanical key out. Now this is the portion that's going to be coming up. There's a little slot right here. You want to put your mechanical key in. Just give it a firm push, and you can see that popped up some. Either stick your fingernail in there. Sometimes it'll just come off by itself. Go ahead and peel back the silicone cover by grabbing this little tab here. Now you can use your screwdriver. Just place it right here. Pop that dead battery out. Make sure you place your new one positive side facing upward just like that. Put the cover back on. And then this piece goes in this side first. Press that in there. Put your key back in and you're all set. There's no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.